Hello, hi, good morning, guys. Hope you all doing good. Sunita, Leela, Shri,
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
thanks for joining. In today's session, we'll try to understand what is a rebate process. I believe you guys have noticed while after purchasing certain items from the any stores after a month, 2 months, or 3 months, you will be getting a message that you have a certain discount for some amount, right? Rebate process is nothing but a kind of discount you will be getting after the sales is completed. That could be this 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Have you seen this kind of discounts?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. No. Rebate. What exactly a rebate is? A rebate is a particular discount which applied to the customer depending on sales volume. Means there will be a condition in the system or with the business that if we buy items for a certain volume, that could be 1000, 2000, or 5000 or 10,000, and this business volume which we are purchasing, that could be in first month or second month or third month, they'll be maintaining a certain limits, certain validity period. That could be a quarterly, a half yearly, or an year. So this is what we'll be defining in the system or in the maintaining in the system, which is kind of agreement, rebate agreement, particular discounts which apply to the customer depending on sales volume. Okay. In the system, we will be defining a rebate agreement with types, which is customer rebate, material rebate, or various types of agreements available in the system. We'll see in next few minutes. This role contains functions of processing rebates agreement, displaying, and once customer makes a sales or purchases, while settling this rebate, we have to update all the billing documents. Means for the last 3 months, what are all customer has purchased items, we'll be updating all those documents. Why? We have to settle the payment or settle the account. While updating this billing document, what are all business that he purchased for 1000 or 5000 or 10,000, based on that, we will be giving a discount, which is called as a credit memo. We'll see this one also in next few minutes. Now, we have seen discounts, right? While creating order, we have seen customer discount, material discount, various types of discounts. Okay. Now, is this both discounts, rebate discount and regular discounts, are they both same? No, both are different. While discounts are given at the sales point of sales, okay, while purchasing. When it comes to rebate, these discounts will be applied after sales completion. This is the difference. Okay. If you have any doubt, you are requested to please ask with regards to the rebate process. Sunita, hope you are
No,
able
sir.
to follow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what exactly rebate is.
Rebate is a type of discount, sir, which the customer get after certain time of purchasing the goods. It's not
Fine.
like a regular discount.
Okay. Now let's thank you. Now let's see how we can execute this into SAP system. Firstly, whenever we try to create or execute data, which is sales data or delivery data or billing process, we need to have master data. Okay, I believe we are aware about how to create customer material. Srikumar, you need not to worry. I'll explain again how to create this master data.
Yes.
Then condition record. So until this point, this is okay. Then if you want to maintain certain conditions, that could be a free good determination, item proposal, revenue account, or any kind of determination that we do, respective condition has to be maintained. Similarly, while executing rebate process, we have to maintain the agreement type, which is conditions. For this, we have transaction code VB01. Shall I create a new customer or shall I consider existing one? Sunita, Leela,
Sir, create new customers.
fine. I'll do one thing. For creating a customer, we have transaction code XD01. Enter. Maintain the account group, company code, and sales area. Continue. I'll maintain here Mr. Srinivas. Name Srinivas. Postal code. Location, country, transportation zone, region, sorry, PO box. Enter. The rest tabs we see here: control data, payment transactions, marketing, unloading points, export data. As of now, we can skip. We don't need all this. If we maintain this, surely we will get many more challenges. Let's maintain the general data. Then here we can see few more tabs like company code data, which is related to the accounting details. Reconciliation account. Then go for the tab payment transactions. Correspondence and insurance we can skip. We don't need. So we are done with the company code data. Prior to this, we have to maintain general data. Then we have maintained the company code data. Now let's maintain the sales data. Maintain sales office or sales group. This is option. If we maintain good, if you don't maintain, there is no any issue. Customer pricing procedure, let's maintain one. This is the sales tab. Enter. Let's move on to shipping tab. Let's maintain the shipping data, delivery priority, shipping conditions, and delivering plant. ZX09. Enter. There is a functionality called proof of delivery. I believe you are able to see this icon, right? I'll mark this. Okay. POT, proof of delivery. Here I have made activated in customer master data. Next, enter. Move on to tab billing documents. Here, invoicing list dates, Incoterms, terms of payment, account assignment group, tax parameters. Enter. Here on the billing document tab, in the billing document area, we can see here an icon with a rebate. Means this customer, which we are going to create, this customer is eligible for rebate. I'll activate this. While creating customer into the billing documents tab, we have to activate this customer is eligible for, this customer is for rebate. Okay. Enter. Move on to partner functions tab, which is by default, and save it. So we can see a customer 900910 has been created. 900910 has been created, and we have activated rebate. Okay. So far, which we have gone through, is there any doubts with regards to custom master creation or rebate definition?
Yes.
Fine. Now, let's consider material ZX09 test. Shall I create a new material or shall we take the existing one?
Existing one, okay, sir.
Fine. So we have a material. This is the material. Okay. So condition record, or hope this condition record already exists. It's the price of 199 rupees. Now, let's maintain agreement via transaction code VBO1. And in this agreement, we are trying to maintain condition. Which condition? The condition is if a customer makes a purchase of 1000, okay, with a validity period, we can keep it, okay, 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. Then once this customer reaches a business volume of 1000, then we can give 10% discount to the customer. How are we going to maintain this? Let's go to the transaction code. VBO1, enter. We can see here, create rebate agreement. Agreement type. If I click onto this box, we can see here various types of agreements: group rebate, material rebate, customer rebate, various combinations. As of now, let's go with customer rebate. Okay, enter. Here we can see rebate recipient. We need to maintain the customer number. We have created customer, right? 900910. This is the customer number. Currency INR. We can maintain the validity period. Mostly this could be 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Here 112023 to 31st December 2023. We have maintained the customer. If you want to change the validity period, yes, we can change it. Enter. Now we have to maintain the conditions, right? What condition? Business volume condition. I'll click onto this condition tab here. Customer number 900910. Amount 10%. This 10% for what? Select this and maintain the condition skills. Like if this customer makes a volume of 1000 rupees, scale value 1000, the customer shall be getting a discount of 10%. Now, if I make another scale, if this customer makes a business volume of 2000, the customer shall be able to get 15% discount. Okay, with a validity period 1 year from 1st of January to 31st of December 2023. I'll go back here. If you want to add, we can add the material also. I'll click onto this icon. Sorry. Go back here. Settlement materials. This is the customer. This is the validity period. And on the conditions, we have maintained the business volume, which is 1010%. If the customer makes a purchase of 2000, 15% discount. Let me add material, settlement materials. ZX09. Yes. Go back. No need to go back. Let's try to save this. Customer rebate has been created. So far, we have created a customer master data. Material, we have taken the existing one. With this master data, we have created a rebate agreement via transaction code VBO1. In this VBO1, we have maintained the customer, conditions, and material. Upon saving, we got a customer rebate has been created with an reference 91. So, so far the steps which you have done, is there any doubt? Would you like to ask? Sunita, Leela, Sri, Shri Kumar.
No, sir. There's no doubt.
Okay. Now moving further, let's assume this customer has created an agreement. Now let's try to release few orders on for the same customer. I try to create an order. /n BA01. Order type over sales area. Enter. These are the regular orders. Customer number 910. We are making a rebate test. Material. This is the material. Order quantity 1. Enter. We can see the system has picked the unit price, item price automatically due to the condition records which we have maintained in the system. Here, the value is 99. If I change the quantity to 12 pieces, here the order value reaches to approximately 1200. The purpose behind is, if I raise the value, I can be able to update the billing document. With that, we'll be able to make a final settlement. Let's save this. Order has been created. Let's proceed for delivery. Enter. Pick the quantity. Post goods issue. Let's proceed for billing. /n BF01. Enter. Okay. Now, as you remember, while creating customer master data, we have activated proof of delivery. Let me give you what exactly proof of delivery is. Let's assume we have placed an order with XYZ showroom or XYZ area for 10 pieces quantity, and they delivered to us 10 pieces. In the entering process, what had happened is, instead of receiving 10 pieces, we have received 9 pieces only. One piece got damaged. That could be any reason. That could be any reason. So now you will pay for 10 pieces or 9 pieces in the billing. Let's assume, let me give you one time. If we place an order for 10 pieces of X from a nearby store, the store, the guy, okay, he sent 10 pieces via delivery boy. Now, until he reached to our home, okay, or our area or our location, you got only 9 pieces and one piece got damaged. Now, you need to pay the, right? You need to pay the for this order. So how much you will pay for 10 pieces or 9 pieces?
Nine.
Sorry,
Nine.
for 9 pieces, right? Sunita, how about you? You'll
9
pay
pieces
10
only,
pieces?
sir.
Sorry,
No, 9 pieces.
9 pieces. Kumar, Anurag, Krishna.
So in F5, what we did that initially we pay for 10 pieces, then one credit memo created for 1 pieces.
Possible, probably, yes. That could be an option. And Anurag, Krishna, how about you?
If you place through, online, we first of all we will pay for 10. So we'll get reimbursement for
Reimbursement.
one damaged piece. Yeah.
Okay. So here the purpose behind proof of delivery is we will not be able to make billing. Like if I try to make billing here, it's giving me incorrect. Why? The reason behind is we didn't receive the confirmation from the customer how much quantity they received. Okay. Here, if I go to the order /n VA03, enter. Here, customer placed an order 12 pieces, and from our warehouse, we have shipped 12 pieces to the customer. But customer received the 12 pieces or no, we didn't got the confirmation from the customer, which is proof of delivery. Okay, let me go to the transaction code VLPOD. Okay, /n VLPOD proof of delivery. Enter. This is the delivery which we have sent to customer with 12 pieces. Enter. Here we can see proof of delivery means customer received delivery on 16th of December with full quantity 12 pieces, 12 pieces. If there is any discrepancy, okay, we need to maintain the reason, means our representative. Did they made over delivery or did they made under delivery? Under delivery is nothing but below 12. Over delivery is nothing but above 12. Okay. We have to maintain the difference. How much difference? Likewise. As of now, we have made 12 pieces delivery and customer received 12 pieces delivery. So there is no discrepancy. I'll maintain proof of delivery date and check it and save it. If I try to create billing document, now I won't get error /n PF01. Okay, enter. We can see we are able to create a billing document for a quantity of 12 pieces with a net value 1188 and tax amount 21384. Let's save this. We can see a billing document has been created. Okay, let me fix this. Mention on the PPG. Country India. Tax. Okay, no problem. So we have one billing document. So far we have done this order process and agreement. Would you like to ask any doubt with these two steps?
Sure. No.
Yes, please go ahead.
So the question what you have asked it depends on the mode of payment. Right? If you ordered already for 10 pieces, technically we paid for 10 pieces in advance. It depends on the mode. It is on cash mode, why we need to pay 10 pieces once we get the 9 pieces proper one?
Fine. Okay, I got your point. We'll come to this proof of delivery in next sessions. As of now, our objective is to understand the rebate process. Okay, we'll have another session on this proof of delivery. Let's try to stick to objective. What is rebate process? We have created agreement, rebate agreement, and we have created an order process which is delivery and billing. So in this two steps, is there any doubt apart from this VLPOD?
No, sir.
Sunita,
No, sir.
Kumar, Anurag, Krishna?
No, sir.
No. So we have a billing amount of approximately 1200, right? One bill. Let me create one more order so that I can raise business volume. I'll try to create /n one more order quickly VA01. Order type of same customer rebate test, same material, quantity, 7 pieces, enter, save it, go for delivery, enter, pick the quantity, post goods issue. Let's make proof of delivery, PLPOD, enter, date, and save it. Let's make billing /n VF01, enter, additional amount of 700, save it. Let's release to accounting. Okay, so approximately we have added, let's assume customer has made additional purchase of 700. Now let's move on to the third step. We have to update billing document. For this we have transaction code VBOF /n VBOF rebate recipient. This is the customer number. Today we are going to settle the amount. If you want to add the rebate number also, yes, we can add it. Rebate number 91. Here we can see the control, right? We'll uncheck this, changed agreements. We'll make test, check mark, execute. Usually here list of billing documents will be populated. There is some issue we have to check with web team. Okay, I'll go back. Let me try again. We have 2 billing documents, right? 2 orders, 2 billing. So that should appear here. List contains no data. Usually we have made 2 billing documents, 2 orders. This should populate in this area, which is not happening. Anyhow, moving further, let's go to the agreement in a change mode. This is the agreement, right? VBO1, rebate 91. We'll go to the change mode and we'll update the agreement status with release for settlement. This agreement which we have created for this customer will release for settlement /n VBO2, enter, change rebate agreement reference, enter. Here we can see agreement status is empty. We will change this to agreement release for settlement, which is B. Double click on this, maintain this parameter B, enter. Now we are releasing for settlement. Click on to save. Customer rebate has been changed. Let me try once again this third step, VBOF /n VBOF, enter. Agreement number, recipient customer reference, date, still same. Okay, there might be an issue with the ABAP team. We'll connect and we'll see this. As of now, let's skip this step. So we have released agreement for the settlement. We have updated the billing document. In these 4 steps, would you like to ask any doubt? With agreement creation, order releasing, updating billing document, and releasing agreement to the settlement. Fine. Now, the last step, we need to settle the agreement. Again, go to the change mode agreement /n VBO2, enter, agreement number 91, enter. Here we can see execute settlement, create final settlement via payment screen. We can see the icon, right? If I click onto this, here the number has to populate automatically. Let me update billing document again. /n VBOF. Let's change the date to 17. No. Okay, it's not happening. Let me try this again. Settlement /n VBO2. Enter. Agreement number 91. Validity period. Let me /n PF02. Enter. Account retention as a revenue account B003. Okay. GL account is missing ERU. /n let's be and reference. Sales and distribution. Basic functions. Account assignment. Revenue account. Assign GL account. Position. Application B. Condition type. Code field. Chart of accounts. Sales organization. Account assignment. Okay, ERU. Enter. Save it. Let's copy 0. Rebate across. Okay, save it. Nation. PF02. Enter. Let me save this. Now the document has been successfully processed. Released to accounting. We have one more document for this customer /n VA05. Customer number 900910. For this customer, we have two orders. Let's execute. This one we have settled 693. Let me check the billing document for this reference. Execute. Okay, delivery number. I'll copy this delivery number. I'll try to create again. Then let's cancel this first invoice. /n VF02. Enter. Save it. Now there is no error. Let's release. Let me try this updating billing document. VBOF /n VBOF. Enter. /91 rebate agreement. Execute. Still same. No worries. Okay, /n VBOF agreement 91. Now we can see the amount 188 has been auto-populated. Why? Let me give you a short. Here. First amount was about 1200 rupees. First bill. Second bill was approximately 700. So total value is for 1900. Cancel. Approximately 1900. For this 1900, the system has calculated 10% discount. For 1900, 10% how much? Equals to this into 10% divided by 100. So approximately we are getting a value here 188. Select this and save it. As soon as we save, a rebate credit memo request has been created automatically. Means a credit memo has been generated for an amount of 188 rupees for the customer. A credit memo will be generated with type B1. Then we'll go to the billing document in a change mode. Here we can see the reference number, right? Rebate credit memo 600182. This is kind of order. I'll copy this. I'll go to the change mode, which is order /n BA03. Control B, enter. We can see a rebate credit memo has been created. For the same credit memo, we need to release to accounting, which is billing. For this customer, Srinivas, we are giving an amount of 188 rupees. Either we can give a credit memo or we can give him any other amount. Save it. Release to accounting. Change mode. Okay. In these steps which we have executed so far,